'cause we're still on board, dancing in the